Oh, sweet, sweet music. Reggie H here. Now, one of the highlights of The Voice so far has definitely been will.i.am's incredible one-liners. Check out these bad boys. Blackstreet, no diggity. I've got all the hits.
You can go Mr. Whoop 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 over there. Whoop, 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 whoop. That is fresh. That's like, dang, that's dope. I'm sorry. Wow, that's dope. That's 2 times dope. You need to come here, bagels. And what I'm saying is, really, you're the bomb. Uh-oh, it's a foot competition. She got so many skilleries. I need you to make the beat a little louder. Skillery, it's a new word. That's right, skillery. You need to bring your ass over here right now. You gonna whoop 'em up. Really? What? Rewind. What? I'm sorry. Listen, I know we're confusing you and stuff.
I'm sorry.
We're confusing you. I'm sorry.
False information coming from the second chair.
I'm not gonna do the and all that stuff.
Really interrupting, seriously? Are we interrupting, seriously? Sitting there like, and boom, boom, here we are.
I'm sorry.